This is the lockpicking newbie, and what I have for you today is the beloved American 1100. Every lock sporter's favorite lock. Well, okay, maybe not everybody's. I really wanted to get into these locks, and so I ordered 5 from eBay, Reed Lockmaster 705. And he listed these locks as seller refurbished. Worked on them, was able to get into them, much to my surprise and delight. But I became a little suspicious as to the internals, because seller refurbished, I didn't really know for sure what pins he used and so on. So out of an abundance of caution, I took the core out. You can see we got number 181 here. I took the core out of this lock, and I replaced it with the core that I purchased earlier from allpadlocks.com rather. And so that's a factory new American lock core, and you can see the bitting there and the key number if I can get the reflection right for you. There we go. All right, so with that in mind, let's get to picking. I'm going to use a pry bar in 50 thousandths with top of the keyway, of course. And this is a Peterson number 1 hook in 18 thousandths. So we'll start from the back today. And I'm on number 5. Little click and bigger click. And I think we're in. Moving up to 4. Actually, I think that last click was 4. So 4 feels set. Moving to 3. Okay, 3 seems set, and you can see some movement in the core. 2. Okay, 2 is set, and we have a false set. So now I'm going to move to 1. Trying to get you an angle here. Moving to 1. Getting some counter rotation. We'll click. And we're open. Okay. That core, when it's outside of a lock, I never once got that core open outside of a lock. But once it's inside of a lock, as you can see, the binding order is pretty straightforward, and there we go. So let's get to gutting. Got my little sparrows gutting stuff as usual. So there's a Phillips screw in there. Of course, I've already had this apart to replace the core. Got the little plate. Here's the core. And there's the screw. We'll just leave these up here. All right, where'd the key go? Here we are. Key still works. And I'll just try to show, well, I got a little piece of tape over there. You'll see that all 5 pins are in there. Okay, let's get the clip off. This is a quick set cylinder removal tool. And this little V is really quite handy for pushing these clips off. Okay, we are unlocked. I'm going to turn that side of the core toward the Bible. And yes, for those of you who are wondering, this is a AAA battery, but I had to scrape the label off of it. So let's go like that. We'll leave this right there for now. And we'll go ahead and dump the pins. So I'll go from here. So that's key pins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all 5 key pins. The core is, I don't know. I don't see any hilarity in there. Okay, and then we'll do the drivers. I guess we'll do the spring. And the driver. That's a spool. I think they're all serrated spools, actually. There's a serrated pin, another serrated pin, another serrated pin, and a spool in 5. Okay. And again, the Bible looks pretty normal. I put some clear tape over the holes here because when this thing is out of the lock, if I unlock it, I take the chance of dumping pins everywhere. And as always, you are dealing with a newbie, so that is why that is. Okay, so I will arrange these a little bit. Oh, come on. There we go. There we go. Okay. I did actually gut this before I ever picked it. And there's a little piece of debris in here, so don't be distracted. And I was just gobsmacked by the serrations. So hopefully the camera will focus. But what you see there on the key pins are serrated key pins in every position. And then starting on the left with pin number 1, you've got a serrated spool. There's serrations there. A serrated pin, serrated pin, serrated pin, and then a serrated spool. And then the springs are all normal like you'd expect. All right. Well, I'd very much like to hear your comments. Again, I did have a little bit of doubt as to the pedigree of this lock, but I'm able to pick both cores. I have reason to believe that both cores are legit, but hey, let me know if it's not. But other than that, that's all I have for now. Thanks again for watching and participating in the channel. This is the lock picking newbie. Have a good day.